Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best electric die grinder on the market, the Seesii Cordless die grinder. This powerful and versatile tool is making waves among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, and we're here to explore why. The Seesii Cordless die grinder is designed for those who demand quality and performance in their tools. With a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM and 3 adjustable speed settings, this grinder is perfect for a variety of tasks, from cutting and grinding to polishing and deburring. Its advanced brushless motor not only enhances the tool's lifespan but also provides quieter operation, which is always a plus for any user. One of the standout features of this die grinder is its cordless design, powered by two 4.0Ah batteries. This means you can work freely without the hassle of tangled cords. The included fast charger ensures you spend less time waiting for your tool to recharge and more time getting the job done. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the portability of this grinder is a significant advantage. Safety is paramount in any tool, and the Seesii doesn't disappoint. It features a high-precision 6mm collet for secure attachment of accessories and an integrated safety button to prevent accidental activation. The cooling vents are designed to promote heat dissipation, ensuring that you can work efficiently without the fear of overheating. Comfort during extended use is crucial, and the Seesii die grinder has an ergonomic design that minimizes hand fatigue. The comfortable grip allows for prolonged use without discomfort, making it suitable for both quick jobs and long projects. The lock-on switch adds convenience, allowing you to maintain consistent power without having to keep your finger on the trigger. This grinder isn't just for one type of task. It comes with 4 grinding heads, making it an all-in-one solution for various applications. Whether you're grinding, engraving, trimming, or carving, this tool can handle it all. Plus, the ability to combine it with different grinding heads opens up even more possibilities for customization. In summary, the Seesii Cordless die grinder truly stands out as the best electric die grinder available. With its powerful brushless motor, adjustable speed settings, robust safety features, and ergonomic design, it's clear why users are raving about it. If you're in the market for a die grinder that offers versatility and performance, the Seesii should definitely be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.